Hello, welcome back to Cracking the Cryptic and another gas session. I have been cooking with gas lately on these puzzles, so long may that continue, although probably it won't. We will see how we go with these. Now, these are the genuinely approachable Sudoku puzzles that are posted in the daily Sudoku channel on Discord daily by Philip Newman, Clover and Sam Kappelman-Lyons. They rotate day by day and produce puzzles normally with fairly simple rule sets and very approachable puzzles that anybody could do if they grasp the rules and stay with them. So I encourage you to have a go at these before watching them try. Now, do check out our stuff on Patreon as usual. Loads of content there this month on also obviously the Discord server. The URL is also under the video, along with all of our apps and our merchandise. So do check it out. Great stuff that goes with this channel. Now, let's have a look at the rules of these puzzles. So normal Sudoku rules apply. And the first one, Eternity by Philip Newman. Oh yes, these names beginning with E. Yeah. Now, digits along purple renban lines must form a consecutive set in any order. For example, a 4-cell renban line, have we got any? No. But a 4-cell one, if there was one, could be 4, 3, 5, 2, but not 5, 6, 7, 9, because that wouldn't be a consecutive set. It would be missing the 8. Right, that's the first one. The next one, Zone Sudoku by Clover. The digits shown in the top left corner of a cage must appear within that cage in any order. So 5, 6, and 7 must be in that cage. Interesting. I mean, it's a very specified rule set, that. Then we have Non-Consecutive by Sam Kappelman-Lyons. This is a sort of negative constraint one. Digits in adjacent cells cannot be consecutive. So you can tell that none of the cells next to this 7 contain 6 or 8, for instance. Yeah, I mean, all odd digits placed. Interesting. We'll have a look at that when we get there, obviously. Then Equinox, another E by Philip Newman. Digits along, it's a thermo basically. Digits along thermometers must strictly increase from the bulb to the tip. So that will be smaller than that, which will be smaller than that. And that will be biggest of all. And then finally, pointing evens. Some diagonals in the grid are indicated with arrows. The value next to the arrow tells you the total number of even digits along that diagonal. Identical digits may appear along a diagonal as long as they don't break any Sudoku rules. So there are 2 even digits on that one, for instance. Interesting. Okay. My gut feel is that might be the hardest of the set, but I have no idea why. So I am going to tackle these as quick as I can in the hope of getting 2 hats per puzzle, which is the award for the quickest solve. We'll see how that goes. I'm going to restart my clock each time so I know my own time. And let's get cracking. Now, do try these yourself if you get the chance on the URLs provided, because they're likely to be good fun puzzles. That is normally what's happening. I'm not finding useful things. I'm just pencil marking 4s here. Now, there's no 6 on this line, so it must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 2 must go there. That's a useful deduction. So on this one, yes, there's no 4. It's symmetrical, of course. So there's got to be an 8 on it. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 8 goes there. This one doesn't have a 6 on, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we don't have a giveaway. Do we have a giveaway number? Yes, 3 goes there. The others are 1, 2, 4, 5. Those ones can't be 4. And here, yes, 6, same sort of deal. With a 4 there, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That one is 5 or 8. This is where 7 goes. 5, 8 or 9 there. 5, 6, not 7. 5, 6, 8, 9. That one can't be 5. Right, now what's that telling us? This can't be 5. This can't be 6 or 9. 3 must be in one of those and one of those cells. 2, 2. Lily white boys. We could put a 2 there 2 in one of those cells as well. This isn't obvious what to do. 7 in this box must be in one of those 2. Now, come on, we've got to use these lines as well. These digits must be from 4, 5, 7 or 8. They're the only things that can touch the 6. Ah, same here. Oh, look, we can't use 7, so that's a 5 and a 4. Oh, that's really easy to see if you just think about it. 4, 5... Now what about up here? Not, oh yes, here, 5 and 6 if we can't use 3. Symmetry always likely to be a factor in these gas puzzles. All 3 constructors, big fans of the old symmetry. 2, oh look, they can't be 7. Ah, this sees all the cells on the thermo. So that has to be a 1. That's a weird naked single once you stop to consider it. That's really interesting. I should have thought of that. So this can't see any of the ones on this thermo and is 1 or 2. This one can't be 1, 3, 4, 5, 2, 6 or 7 or 8. That's a naked single 9. That's where 3 goes. The symmetry again. There's no 8 there now. And here can't be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 or 7. Not quite as helpful in those 2 positions as it was in the others. Now 2, 9, 7, 8, 4. So these, there's a 3 in one of those 2 cells, so that's a 5, 6 pair. Yes, that is useful. Oh, and that's a 1. It's not a 2 possible anymore. That's a 2, 4, 5 triple. That must be 7 or 9. 2, 4, 5, 3, 1, 6. They're also 7, 8 or 9. So 1 in this column seems to have to be there now. I think that's right. That's a 1, 4, 5 set. So that's 3, 7, 8. Can't have a 7 there now. That can't be a 1. This is 7 or 9. That actually 4, 5 is resolved by the 5 above. That's 7, 8 or 9. We can, oh no, now that has to be a 2 and it can't be. Okay, that wasn't 7, 8 or 9. This wasn't even 8 or 9. That was 9. This is 7, that's better. 2 is here, that's all right. We're okay. Just misread the marks. 5, 4, 6, 3, 7, 8. That has to be 9. These now are a 1, 2 pair. These are a 3, 8 pair. I'm not going all that fast, but I am getting through this now. That 2, 9 is resolved. That makes this a 1. That must be where 8 is in the column, so we can put a 3 at the top. Now those can't have a 7, so we've got a 5, 6, 9. That's 7, 8, 9. We get a 1 there. These can't have a 9 in. 6, 8, 5, 2 there. 8, 7, 5, 1, 4, 6, 9, 2, 3. They can be placed. That's a 1 down the middle. 3, 8, 7. Yes, that's 8. This is 7. That's 3. We can do 7 and 8 next to it. Actually, I can do 4 and 5 at the bottom as well. That's 7. 3, 6. That's 3. 1, 4 and 1. Not going to break 4 minutes this time, but not going to be far off it either. 1, 7, 8. We've got a 6, 5, 8. There we go. So, oh gosh, not breaking. Sorry, I misread my clock as I glanced at it. So just beating 6 minutes. Maybe not as good as it's been lately. It's a very neat puzzle. These shapes are so useful in that every cell on them is viewed by these 2. And I got that it was viewed by these 1s, which were very useful 4 and 6's digits. But I didn't get for some time that these 1s also saw them. Interesting, really clever setting as usual. Ah yes, zone Sudoku. Now, am I wrong in expecting this to go quickly? We will see. Let's go. So we've got a 4, 5 pair there. That puts 4, 5 in there. 7, 9 in there. That's where 7 must be in this one. That's where 4 must be in this one. That can't be a 5. I don't want to just pencil mark everything because I have a feeling I'd just be looking at all sorts of nonsense then. There's a 4 in one of those cells. I don't know. He says don't pencil mark everything, then he starts doing it. Classic. 4, 5, 7, 2, 3, 6, 8. 4 can't be there, so one of those is a 4. And that fixes this 5, 4 pair. And that bounces back down to the bottom and puts a 5 in one of those. There's got to be an 8 there. There's got to be an 8 there. So that uses the 8s for columns 6 and 7. And we get this combination. Now, there can't be a 6 there. So 6 is placed. 5, 2, 3, 6, 7. 3 is now in here with 5. That's a 4, 8 pair instead of just 4. That's 1. That's 9. 7 and 8 are placed as well. Up this one, we've got 1, 2, 9 to go, but that's not obvious how that resolves. 5, 6, 7 are a triple in this box. So 4, 2, 3 are a different triple. 1, 3, 5, 6 there. Right, 7, 6. That's a 2, 9 pair. Do we look along? 6, 8 here, so that sorts out 4. 7 has to be there now, given everything that sees 7. 5 can't be there, so 5 there. That's a 4, 6 pair, and this can't be a 6. So there is a 6 here. In fact, it's there. That fixes 8, 6. That bounces back up to the top and fixes 2, 8. That bounces round to the right and fixes 3, 2. 6, 4, 5, 2. This is a 1, 8, 3 triple. That's got to be 3, obviously. 2 and 4 are resolved there. This is 1, 9 again, so we get 1, 9, 3, 2. This is a very helpful rule set. As I said before, the numbers are pretty much specified all around the grid. You just have to work out where they end up. That's a 5. It sees a 1, 9 pair, 1, 9 in the column. Can we do this column now? Yes, that's a 1, 9, and 2. Then 3 there, it sees the same 1, 9 pair. Actually, we know the order of those. 4, 5, 6 here. Well, I get a triple, so that's an 8. 4 in this cage is there. Then we've got a 3, 5 pair. 4 there. 2, 4. This is part of a 5, 6 pair, but there's a 6, 7 over here. Something must have been resolved there and I hadn't worked it out. No 6 there, probably from that. 5, 3, 2, 4, 6, 9 there. 7 and a 1, 8 pair. No, we know which way round they go thanks to the 1, 9. Oh, something's gone wrong there. And this might be unfixable. 7, 9 and a 7. Put that 9 in there, and that was clearly rubbish. Oh, how far ago did I go wrong? Thought it was all right. There was something around the middle didn't look great. Don't know. Let's go back to here. Was I okay at this point? Put an 8 there? I don't know. That would be a 1 if I concentrate on the top row this time. 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. Mark. This is not looking good. This could still be going wrong again. That 2, 3, 4 is all resolved. This is a 1, 8. Oh, I was looking at 1, 9 earlier. Maybe I mispencil marked that. Yes, I was using a 1, 9 there. That is possibly just a typo, or maybe I misread a number. 7, 6 pair there. This is 9 and 8. 1 there. At least I rewound back to about the right point, but I mean, I'm sure I've abandoned my hopes of 2 hats on this puzzle. 3, 5, 4, 6. Not cooking with gas today, perhaps. Now, 1, 2, 3. That's got to be a 3. 1, 2, 4. Yeah, I am confident I'm on the right track now, and I haven't put in the same bad number. 3, 5, 9, 7, 6, 8. 2 in that row. 4 and 1. Oh, 5, 6 is still a pair there. That's still an 8. Ah, and that fixes the 1, 8 pair there. This is a 6, 7 pair which are resolved. That's going to fix 9, 7. 5, 4 is fixed. 5, 3, 1. This 6, 4 is resolved. I mean, it is so straightforward in a way when you don't make the errors. I mean, that's what it's all about, isn't it? Today, 5, 6. That does place 6 there. So much of this is the same as when it was wrong, obviously. 5, 7. Now we've just got the bottom 3 boxes to do. 8, 2, 7. That's a 9. This is 3, 9, 2. How come the box isn't resolved? I don't know. Now I'm getting worried that this is going to give me a deadly pattern. No, it's not. That's a relief. 3 there. 5 and a 1. 6 minutes 43. That's not a good enough time. I mean, I must have wasted 2 minutes on... I think I just put the error 19 in there. I don't even know why I did it. I'm sorry if that caused you to shout at the screen for a while. But let's try with the non-consecutive. Oh yeah, that's a surprising idea. Okay, let's go. So, where's 6? No, hang on. 2 and 4 can't be in... Oh, 2 can't be anywhere but there in this box. And 4 can't be anywhere but there, because it would be next to 3. 2, 1, 3, 4, 9. 5 and 6 can't go together there, so one of them's in here. And this is 5 and 8. And I mean, that is pretty... There's a lot to find here. That has to be a 2. Weird naked single. That's handy. These are from 2, 4 and 6. The one next to a 5 can't be either 4 or 6. Come on, come on. This is going to go fast if we just get the idea. 5 can't be next to 4. 2, 6 and 8. Come on. I bet they're easy to fill in if I just worked it out. 2, 6 and 9 here. Let's try that. 6 can't be there. No. Come on. 2 can't go in either of those positions. Gosh, 2, 7, 1, 5, 3. That can't be 8 or 6. That can't be 4 or 9. Oh, so 9's in one of those cells and can't be next to 8. So 8's over there. That can't be 6, so it's also 4 or 9. So we get a 6 there, 4, 9. Then we can put in 2, 8, 1, 4 and 6. That one has to be 6. That one has to be 1. Okay. 4, 8. 4 decides that. 2, 6, 9 here. Not obvious to me. 5, 8 here. 2, 4, 6. 7 can't be next to 6. 2, 6, 8 here. 6 can't be there. 8 can't be there. 2 can't be here. Classic. 8. Right. 2, 6, 9 here. 9. Ah, right. 9 has to be there. And then I don't know how to do the others. So actually, there's the last 9 in the grid. Yeah, maybe I should finish off the odds, because we've got a lot of odds pointing into the central box. I should have really looked at that earlier. 3, yeah, I think 5 can't be finished. It's in one of those two. but everything else can. So, well, okay, let's pencil mark 5 in one of those. 8 can't be there or there or there, so 8 winds up in one of those two. 2 and 4 can't be there. 4 has to be here. Gosh, that's strange. Right, that's not 4, so 4 goes there. It can't be next to 5. 5 can't be next to 6. This is going all right now, but not quite as fast as I was expecting at the start. 8 and 5, 4 and 9, 6, 4. They were all very straightforward and I didn't notice. 4, 8, 5, no, 2 and 5 here. And what have we got? 6, which has to be, yeah, 2 and 6. There we go. Just under 4 minutes. Okay, that is pretty quick, but there's a lot of help for a puzzle like that. I've seen this sort of pattern around of givens an awful lot in these Sudokus recently. I haven't commented on it, but I have been noticing it. And it's sort of here again. Yes, it is, isn't it? Isn't this the same shape around the outside? I think it is. Anyway, thermo Sudoku. Let's try this. Let's go. How long is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, very long. Well, let's good lift it. Because these, yeah, look at, oh, hang on, this can't be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 7. So that's 1, 2, or 3, and that's a triple. So we can, that was worth, I started in the right place. So we got this 1, 2, 3 triple, which helped. That 9 fixes the whole of this thermo as well. Right, and that's the 2 long ones done straight away. Now, 5, 4, 3, 6. I'm still in thinking about non-consecutive mode. That's not helpful. Where do we go next? It must be this box. 8's in one of those. 1 is, 1 has to be here because it can't be on a non-bulb. 5, 6, 1, 8. So that's a 1 as well. 6, 5, 1, 3, 7, 8. 4 is placed here. Yes. That's 2 or 3. This is 9. That's the only bigger number than 4 we can place in the box. We've got 7 and 9 there. 4, 3, 7 is now placed here, making that an 8 since it sees a 7, 9 pair. That's 2 or 4 because it can't be 9. That is 2 or 9 because it can't be 4. 8 there. That's also 2 or 9, but it has to be 2 on the bulb. 2, 4 pair makes that one a 3 on the other side, and a 5, 6 pair left in the central box. So this has to be 3, 4, or 5. Could just be 4, couldn't it? Can't be 3. But that's going to have an effect down to the beginning of the thermo. Oh, this can't be 5, 4, 2, or 3. That's nice. And this has to be 6 then. Oh, good. That was very helpful. Now, this can't begin with 1 or 2 or end with 8 or 9. Yeah, I think that pencil marking's right, but that gives me a 3, 4 pair. So we finish off that thermo after all. 6 and 9 to go in this box. 2, 1, 6, 9. 5, 4, 3, 2. This is an 8, 7 pair. This is a 1, 6, 9 triple, which can be filled in. Then we're left with a 2, 3, 4 triple. And that's from 3, 4, or 5. 7, 6, 8. 1 there. That's got to be 1. Right. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 3. They don't have a 3, so 3 is in the bulb. That's become a 5. I hadn't noticed that. That's become a 9. So 6, 1, 7, 9, 8. This is going to have to be 4 in the row. and given the thermo, this is 2 or 3, and I don't know which. 9, 3, 2, 1, 8, 3, 6, 1. That is a naked single 5. We can do 7 and 8 given the thermo. That's a 6. We can do 4 and 5 given that thermo. 6 and 8 on the end of it. 5 and 2 there. 8, 3, 4. We can do 2, 1. We must be able to do 8, 7. Come back up and do 9, 7 it looks like. Yes. 3, 2. Let's pick up 4, 2. That's a 3 now. 5, 2 and 1 pair left. 2 and 4. Just over 4 minutes this time. 4 1/4. I mean, it's very neat. I do like the way that pattern's been used, and you can see how Philip has very carefully used the 8 and 7 lengths, and then that was a really neat one as well. Some very good thermos there. Really enjoyable stuff. Now, this one I feared would be the hardest, and Clover tripped me up before, so oh well. Let's give it a crack, see how we get on. Let's get cracking. That is a naked 9, 6 there, 5 and 8. We've finished box 1 somehow. 1, 2, 3. So we've got the 2 even numbers on that diagonal. So this is odd, which isn't very helpful. And so is that. Same story. Oh, this is a 5, 4, 6 triple though. Ah, well that is very helpful then. And I apologise. 1, 2, 3. We've got all sorts of roping going on here. 7, 8, 9 there. 6. Oh, 6. That means all of these are even. That's what it is saying, isn't it? So that one's an 8 and that one's a 2. That is extremely helpful. This one is a 4, in fact. And we can fill in the 1, 7. That is even. It's got to be a 6. That one's 2 or 8. In fact, this is a 2, 5, 8 triple, so that's 5. Oh, it's weird how this works. These clues are incredibly helpful in a way that I didn't expect at all. Serves me right. Yeah, that's done. Now, this is much harder to use, surely. I don't even feel capable of doing so. Let's do some ordinary Sudoku. Can we? 5. Yeah, we can do a bit. 5 in one of those cells. 8 somewhere here as well. I don't know. No, we're going to have to do more of this even hunting. But there are 8 digits along here and 6 of them are even. How do I figure that one out? Are there any that can't be even? I don't think there are yet. 4 down here? I mean, that's not easy to use at all. I don't know how I'm meant to. 5 there as well. In fact, that puts a 5 there. Oh, sorry, I've been in the wrong mode. I'm trying to put 5s in those, so I wasn't still failing. There we go. That's finished all the 5s, weirdly. Yeah, I'm still looking for a sort of whole approach to getting it resolved, and I'm not really seeing anything like that. Oh, that can't be a 3, so that's a 1, so they're done. That's a 3, I mean. That gives me a 3 in one of those cells. That's a 7, 9 pair. 8, 1, 3, 5. I'm looking across the middle just in case that's going to give me anything. It really isn't. How can I use this 6 and 4 clue? Oh, I've got a 3 and a 7 on it. So that's how. So everything else is even, and that's suddenly very easy to use. That's not a 3. So 3's there. That's a 4. That's a 6. Only one even choice, of course, in all of the other cells apart from that 3 and 7. So these two, that is 2 or 6. This one is 4 or 8. Wow, I mean, that was strange. Still don't think I've got enough to use this yet, but oh no, look, they're all odd. So the others are all even. So these are the other even digits in the central box. That is a 6. This one is 6 or 8 as far as I can see. So these are 1, 7, 9. 7 must be here. 9, 1. There we go. That's got to be really helpful. I've used all the clues now suddenly, from believing I couldn't use any of them. Suddenly used them all. 6, 3, 5, 8. I've got a 7 there. Yes, I can do 1 and 2. This has been a remarkable puzzle. Very different from what I was expecting. Not easy, to be fair. I suppose I was expecting that. But you just had to think your way through it. 2, 8 are done. It can't be 8. Hasn't been able to be for a while. That's become a 4. So 4, 6 over there. This is a 9. That's a 7. I still don't know what that is. That's a naked 3. That's a naked 6. That'll do it. 1 there. 5, 3, 7, 8. I'm looking at the wrong thing. I can put a 6 in though. 8, 7, 6, 9, 5. So that's a 2, 1 pair. Yes. 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 9. That's 9, I said, not 6. Silly finger. 4, 9. We get a 2 and a 6 in the middle, and just a 4, and that's the result. Oh, that's very clever. Very clever puzzle. Just under 6 minutes. So, sort of cooking with gas. Cooking on a light heat, perhaps this week. Gosh, really interesting. So just under 6 minutes, just under 7, under 4, over 4, and under 6. Definitely a harder set than the last couple of weeks for me, but really impressive puzzles. Just shows the quality of this series, in my opinion. I hope you had a go at those. They were very interesting puzzles, and I will be interested to see the times. Do let us know. As it is, thank you as always for watching the channel. It's a pleasure to be with you, and hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.